Now let's see the people of this region. The coastal plains, being very fertile with the pleasant climate, supports a very large population. Because of it's a very fertile region, the eastern coastal plains are very fertile. The people of the eastern coastal plains are mainly farmers because it's having the fertile plains or the fertile regions because of the rivers like Ganga, Mahanadi, like this. The people of the western coastal plains are mainly depends on the fisher. They mainly are fishermen. They are known for their skill in the making handicraft using the core, shell, etc. These peoples are western coastal plains peoples are making the handicrafts using the core, the coconut shell or the fiber, not a shell, the fiber which we are getting from the coconut outer things. It's called the core. They are using it to make the rope or such other things. They are using the shells to make the handicraft. The island of Lakshadweep and the Andaman and Nicobar are mostly inhabited by the tribal people. The tribal people, those are living into the Andaman, Nicobar and the Lakshadweep islands. Major part of the western and the eastern coastal plains. Port are cities with harbor where the ships are anchored. Harbors, the cities where the ships rested. Kochi, Mangalore, Calicut, Marmagaon, Mumbai and Kandla are the major port of the western coast. Haldia, Paradeep, Visakhapatnam, Chennai and the Tuticorin are the major port on the eastern coast. Mumbai is the biggest port in the India. Visakhapatnam and the Kochi have shipbuilding yards. Now the importance of the coastal plains and the islands. The deltas of the major rivers of the east coast make it very fertile and it is suitable for the agriculture. Fishing is the major occupation into the western coastal plains. Now the beaches of the coastal plains are tourist attraction. Next, the forest Sundarban are the home of the Royal Bengal tigers. The run of Kutch is the east of the Gujarat is famous for the flamingo birds and the wild asses. The sea fort of the coastal plains help in the development of the trade with the other countries through the sea. The pleasant climate and good amount of rainfall of these regions supports a large population.